When did we first meet?
Late January of 2017.
2017, and this is Jason. Jason is one of the co-owners of 3D Printing Tech here in Atlanta. We first met in January 2nd, or late January.
Yeah, late January, but then we got officially working together February 2nd.
So February 2nd of 2017, we officially started designing and creating this mouthpiece on our own, because that was the only way we were going to get it done at this point. So let's bring the camera a little bit closer so that we see. This is the mouthpiece, Jason. This was our first mouthpiece, I believe, we created, and you can see the design. This is where the flow will go in. These little divots are for hand pieces that we're going to be using on our prototypes on people, where we have sonics, ultrasonics connected here, and you can see the holes here are very close together. When we first started using this with water inside the mouth, and I'm going to show this goes right inside the mouth. These holes were too big in size and too close together, okay? And so they were flooding the mouthpiece. So what we had to do, and Jason, can you show us the device that you used to create this?
A FDM printer that was used to print this rendition, this iteration of the mouthpiece, and that was using PLA filament.
So this was the first rendition. We got this. Then we realized it wasn't. The water flow wasn't going. The liquid flow wasn't going well. So what do we have to do? Can you show us what our next things were?
What we did was we create some test fixtures with the different sized holes that we thought we might want to try.
And show them the different size.
And they have the same connection as the mouthpiece itself.
Right.
And then you ended up testing the flow to get the pressure.
The pressure and the proper flow. One of these is 0.5 millimeters, and the other one is 0.9 millimeters in terms of holes. So, Jason, how many hours do you think would you guesstimate like it went into creating what we have so far?
It's several hours. Lots of meetings, lots of sending renderings to you for approval. It's just a long process, the whole development of the product. It involves all of those factors: testing, printing, testing, changing, adjustments. And just like, this is part of it where we had to go back and create this test just to see how it would flow, just to get it right.
Awesome. And now the final finished product that we're waiting on now. Today is May 5th, Friday, and the final piece is coming in when?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. It's going to be our final rendition after all these months of research and development, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to have it on Tuesday, and I will be here on Tuesday with another engineer, Kyle, who was very instrumental in creating the final piece. Where is the final piece right now?
It's on its way from Arizona, where we sent it to be in its final curing to make the resin biocompatible and safe for the mouth.
Excellent. Okay, so when we get this piece on May the 9th, on Tuesday, we will create another video and post it to you guys, and hopefully everything will be working out very nicely. And I thank you all for being part of this and watching what we're doing. Thank you very much.